Hey guys, hello, welcome to this video. So I hope everybody is doing great. In this video today we will talk about how to install Linux on your Windows 10 system. So you know that there are multiple ways you can use to install to Linux. Like maybe one way could be uh, you can install what you can do. You can install via dual booting system, right? Via dual booting system. Uh, and you can create a separate partition and you can install Linux there. So there will be two operating system on your system. One is Windows, one is Linux. But that is not actually, that I face lot of issues. I try to use it earlier, and there used to be a lot of issues, and which is not really I recommend much because if you need the simple environment, that is not really actually required, right? So maybe that is one way. Another way could be that you can install via VirtualBox. Okay, you can install VirtualBox and then you can install Linux. Okay, OS on that VirtualBox, right? Which will consume your. So there are few limitations like with both cases, right? Like if you use first one, so you need to keep your directory separate and you need to keep your, like, you can use only Windows at one time or you can use Linux only at one time. In this system also, this give you some liberty and you can switch to your Linux system whenever you require. Just open your VirtualBox and you can do that. But again, this is a cumbersome process and used to take time. So the third way, which is I think which is the best, uh, if you are looking for some doing some practice, right? And it will install your Linux system in 10 to 15 minutes only. Okay. So what will be the step for that? Windows 10 system has provided Linux support. Okay, so this is really new and this is very useful. Uh, they have provided Linux support on this system. So what you need to do, just follow these steps. I have mentioned these steps into this Word file. I will share that one. But if you see this video, you can know the complete process and the steps I will mention in the description as well. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go Windows features. Okay, so there is option turn on Windows features. You can enable that one. Where there is spelling mistake. Okay, Windows feature. Okay, so you can install turn Windows feature on and off, or maybe you can go to control panel. Okay, you can go to control panel and then you can go to that option, but that is a longer way. Okay, rather than by going that, you can go directly with the Windows feature on off. So, but I will show you both options. Okay, control panel, go to control panel, then you can go to program and features. Okay, here you can go and then you can find turn Windows features on or off. It will bring the same window. Okay, or you can directly go here and you can type turn Windows features on or off. Now, once you come there, scroll down. Okay, you can make it big. You can scroll down and there is one option which says Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, this is the magic. So Windows subsystem for Linux, check this option and click on OK. Okay, it will try to find out the required files and then it will apply the changes and it will ask you to restart your machine. So meanwhile, if you like this topic and you like this channel, you can subscribe if you are new and you can like this video as well. So now you got the option restart now. Okay, so it is good, it is recommended if you restart. So let me just restart my system and I will be back after that. Okay, so guys, this Windows system got restarted now, and let's see how it works now. Okay, so you need to go to command prompt. Okay, if you type bash here, now if you see there is one option is coming, Windows subsystem for Linux has no installed distribution. Okay, that means subsystem has been installed, but now software is not there, Linux is not there. So what you can do, you can go to this link, and from there you can install the required software or required OS. Okay, so OS means that if you want, suppose Linux or Ubuntu, whatever you want, you can do. So I go here. Okay, or you can go to direct Microsoft Store as well. Like here, if you type Microsoft Store, then also it will come. Okay, same window it will open. Now here you are. Okay, now run Linux on Windows, and all these Linux system are supported by Windows. Okay, Windows 10 basically. So you can get Ubuntu, you can get Kali Linux, you get Debian. Okay, so all these are available and these are free as well. Okay, so let's go again. Let's just verify it is opening the same window. Yes, and here you can go and can click on install Linux. So I like, if you want Red Hat kind of commands, you can use Debian, right? And Ubuntu is very popular these days to run any Linux command. So you can go there and you can click on install option. Now it is getting installed. First it will download and then it will install the system. It is approximately like 466 MB size. So let it get download and install. Okay, I have a good connection, so it would complete soon, but I don't want to waste your time, so just uh, let me pause, and once it get downloaded I will show you how it is working further. Okay, so now the system got downloaded and it just installed here, so you can click on open. Now it is getting installed. Okay, so once it got downloaded, you just need to double click or you need to just click on open, or you can also go to here. If you see, once you download, it will get automatically added into this tile, and you can just click here and it will install for you. So again, this will take few minutes. For me, download took like just 3 minutes hardly, and now it is getting installed. Okay, so right now it is 2:25, and let me pause the screen and I will confirm once it get ready. Okay. Okay, so now I got this screen where it is asking username. Okay, so I can give any username, maybe I can give only root. Okay, so root already exists, so I can give my name Prashant, password, so I give password. So password also given, and see my system got installed. Now let me change the font size and I'll make it bigger, maybe like this. Now it should be better. It is much bigger, so let me change the size to smaller one. Yeah, so it is better now. So you can see my system got installed. You can do cd space slash to go to the root directory. Your mount directory would be like your system directory would be uh, here in the under mount folder. Okay, so you need to go to root directory first, then you can find slash mnt, and in mnt you can find all your directory available in system. So I have c d e f g h I, which is actually true. Okay, and I have this system c d e f g h I, right? So similar way, and I can go to the files now, like cd space slash ls minus lrth. Okay, you can find all the files and folders, and you can start working. You can run any command like touch test.txt. So I can run sudo, my password is okay. So there is permission issue for this one, but if I go to users here now, cd maybe Prashant prvm users pvm, my fault. Okay, so I can run, I can go to desktop maybe, or where I can go cd videos. Okay, here if you see, now I can try to create any file, touch test.txt. So it got created, right? mkdir test directory, that is also visible there. mv test.txt, let's put it behind the test. Okay, so now if you see, so I am able to run all the command, you can see here. Okay, dir and ls both is working. So it is good way to have uh, test the command. Like now if I run cat command as well, so all linux command will work, all ubuntu command will work here. And if you install debian, you can run debian also, and this is very easy way to do your linux practice, right? So I hope you like this video and you are enjoying this video. Okay, if you have any comment, if you like this video, you can let me know in the comment section as well, and if you have anything to say, please feel free to write into comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video remain useful for you. Tata, bye bye.